everybody, I'm Chef Amanda Freitag, and I'm gonna show you how to make homemade lemonade. You need ice and water, lemon juice, and simple syrup. I've got the beautiful cubed ice from the door of the refrigerator. Water comes from the door of the refrigerator. It's all right there. So I've actually made the simple syrup on the slide-in range, and then I have fresh lemon juice, a little bit of simple syrup. So refreshing. Some friends coming over, but I wanted to stay cold until they get here. Another cool feature, retractable shelf. Check it out.